Alright, so I'm gonna make some barbecue sauce. I don't know why people would want to buy barbecue sauce already made at the store when you can make it, and it's so much better. It's so much better when you make it yourself rather than just going to buy it at the store. Really just a few ingredients: a little ketchup, Worcestershire, a little Dijon mustard, basil leaves, oregano, a little garlic powder, onion powder, a little chili powder, cayenne, and light brown sugar. And I might add a touch of honey to it. These are ribs. I kind of like a little sweeter. Anyhow, pretty simple. So here we go. First off, the base is a 20-ounce bottle of tomato ketchup. I prefer Heinz. You can use whatever you want, but I prefer Heinz. But 20 ounces of tomato ketchup. Just pour the whole thing in whatever your mixing bowl is going to be. Try to get most of it out. And a little stubborn. Take the lid, put it back on it, tip it upside down, finish it up. 2 cups of brown sugar, packed lightly, I guess. Dump it in there. A tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Doesn't have to be precise. You want to be precise, get the tablespoon out. Get it pretty close, doesn't have to be exact. Dump it in there. Try to get the can out. Teaspoon of Worcestershire. This is probably the cheapest Worcestershire money can buy. It doesn't really make a whole lot of difference. Just a teaspoon of that, a little bit goes a long ways. And then a teaspoon of, dry out this teaspoon. A teaspoon of the spices I mentioned, of each of them. Onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of chili powder. These are just cheap spices, the cheapest you can probably buy it. They're like $1 each or something, pretty cheap. Oregano, leaves, teaspoon. I put a strong teaspoon in all of them. And then a little bit of basil leaves. I think will go in there. I know the expensive one, the high dollar one, the teaspoon will go in it. And then just a touch of cayenne, a little bit of that goes a long ways, just a couple shakes. A little bit goes a long way, so just a touch, give it a little zing. Mix it up. Real good. I can tell you what, this barbecue sauce is hard to be matched anywhere. We use it on everything: beef, ribs, chicken, everything. So really, for the price of a thing of tomato ketchup, get a pretty good barbecue sauce. Thing tips upside down. Go ahead and finish emptying out the ketchup. Get it in there. It's pretty easy. Trash. Finish mixing it up. Then what you're going to want to do is mix this up, a couple hours before you get ready to use it. Let the flavors kind of blend together. I like to put it in the refrigerator. It's pretty good, but man, look at that. This stuff is freaking awesome. I call this Bubba's barbecue sauce. Give it a little taste. Wow, it's pretty good. I think I'm going to add just maybe a touch of honey, give it a little sweet flavor. I don't know what I got here. Cheap honey from Walmart. Just maybe just a touch of that to kind of sweeten those ribs up. If I was just doing beef, I'd probably leave the honey out, but these are going to be kind of little sweeter ribs. Been marinating in bush light. So the honey's optional depending on what you're making. Pork, kind of like a little sweeter flavor to it. Blend that all up there. Man, a little taste it. And that stuff will knock your socks off, I guarantee it. You'll never find anything like that at a bottle at the store. Simple, so freaking simple that it's unbelievable. And give it a try, I guarantee you won't like it. I'm gonna put these on ribs that I'm cooking actually today too in another video, but and give this Bubba's barbecue sauce a go. Again, 20-ounce bottle of ketchup, 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a teaspoon of Worcestershire, and a teaspoon of each of these spices. Basil, oregano, cayenne, or not a teaspoon of cayenne, teaspoon of onion powder, chili powder, garlic powder, and just a touch of cayenne pepper. Gives a little zing. In fact, I might add a little bit, just a little touch more here in a minute, but super simple. You won't be disappointed, guaranteed.